Hello everybody, and welcome to the unboxing video. Hello everybody, and welcome to the unboxing video. I decided you should open the box first, you get the address out of the way. I'm trying fucking tight and I get it out constantly. And if we don't edit it out right, if I don't edit it out, I'm gonna die now, because the internet's full of psychos. I decided, fuck it, we're just gonna cut it open first. So, you see I have a solid state drive, another one, a SanDisk 24 GB drive. This is for a project video, to be done later. These I've needed for a long time. I'm not necessarily need but want them, because I'll really decide I really need them when I do need them. These are a expensive pair, expensive my ass. If they work, they work, and that's all that matters to me. That's part of the thing. These are pair of each, I think. It's called the male coupler, or just the male coupler. Second one. On two female couplers. So in theory and typical, and of course, very mature fashion. In a very mature fashion, I'm going to make a giant sword out of them. Because why not? On guard. And the third and final one that might kill me actually. It doesn't work right. Kind of interesting. But all. One bit of the Samsung, what was that? The Note 7. This, by the joke and the shape of it, you probably guessed it's a battery. For my laptop. Because it went bad. Right before Christmas actually, really fucking annoying. That pissed me off. Change the screen up, there goes the fucking battery. Take shit. So, I bought a new battery for it. So this is specifically on me doing the, I had more of the SSD screws that are missing in the bottom of it. What else? The RAM. I got that. Yeah. I'm gonna test this device out, make sure they all work. And, something else. Oh yeah, I'll put the battery in now. It doesn't, I'll show you when you put the battery in. I did have the old one out. And then I set the computer. Whatever. And, done. See if it's charging or not. It is. This isn't for this computer, but it's for the computer. Obviously, these aren't going to this computer either. There's no plug for these ones. So we're gonna have a fight. This isn't a compatible battery, way. Hope you don't care. Damn, half a charge. Not bad. Sweet. I better not this thing. Alright. As you hear, no power cord. That's where the charger plug is. Alright, have you enjoyed? This is a separate video called Dell Latitude Asus 510 Upgrades Part 3, or Repair Part 3 probably. Later on 3 ways. And yeah, if you enjoyed, the next one, take it easy.